ko kayo lahat ng happy Valentine's belated kahapon. Happy Valentine's belated to all my loyal supporters, subscribers, at mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Please subscribe ni Miss Rose de Melod Vlog. Rose de Melod Vlog talaga, ha? Thank you to all of you guys, to all my loyal supporters and subscribers from Pakistan, from Thailand, from Bangladesh, from Italy, from US, from the Philippines, syempre, and here UAE, at to all my friends here in wide world, belated happy Valentine's, guys. And to all my sisikoys, syempre to all my sisikoys, happy Valentine's belated. Hindi ko kayo nabati kasi medyo busy ang lola nyo. Shout out sisikoy, Miss Lauren Directo, syempre the very supportive one, Miss Lauren Directo, Sisikoy Jobs in Hawaii, aloha Sikoy. And shout out din kay Sisikoy, Good Vibes Maris, we miss you Sisikoy. Ang Biag Vlog at Conce, syempre ang aking BFF, ang Biag Vlog at Conce, syempre may BFF, LFF, Sisikoy, Angela Tanser, shout out. Sisikoy, Shali Estrada, Sisikoy, Princess Freya, #06, ang the very supportive one of my Sisikoy, Miss Princess Freya, #06, and Miss Millet Vlogs, Sisikoy Dora Vlogs, Sisikoy, Kusina ni Josie, shout out din. Sisikoy Mayetski channel. Wait lang, isipin ko pa yung iba. Sisikoy Tabibing Ilog, shout out. Sisikoy El de los Santos, Sisikoy Susana G, Sisikoy Pelicok, Sisikoy Nana ni YPC, shout out. And Sisikoy CJ Farm, Dimension Vlog, shout out. Sisikoy Dora Vlog. And shout out also to sister Village Daily Vlog, shout out. Shahid Khan Vlog, Talpakik Sading, shout out. And our brother Fidel 75, pangalan nito. And brother Fida 75 vlog. Shout out sa iyo, to you brother. Assalamualaikum. Syukran. Shout out Asya Hunggirana, terima kasih, thank you so much. Asya Hunggirana. And syempre, and of course, to all my loyal supporters and subscribers, thank you to all of you guys. Hindi ko na kayo may isa-isa, guys. Talpakik Sading and Love Trouble Music Ading, shout out. And syempre, aking kapatid Juliet and Vlog. Syempre, aking bunso Richard de la Vega. And shout out din sa Bugkalot Dreamers Band. Belated Happy Valentine's sa inyo, guys. Syempre, ading Holy Marie, Soldier Music Guitar, Nels TV, Neljam Vlog, Coach Samuhing TV, Kabsat Leonardo de Guerto, Licasis GM, Jan the Explorer, Jalay Channel, Lady Tulipa Tulips, shout out din. Sisikoy Beatrice Pen TV, shout out. Shout out din kay Noel de Guzman, kapatid, shout out. Junta Perla TV, Colombiano, shout out idol. RGT Vlog, shout out. Shout out din kay Rodelina Mistuso channel. Sisikoy Millet Vlog, shout out din. And mega love shout out din kay Tol Tin King OFW. Maraming salamat Tol sa support. Belated happy Valentine's to you. Umage channel, Parikoy, Marikoy, Flor Padua, shout out. Maraming salamat sa support. And maraming salamat sa inyo guys, sa mga hindi ko na nabanggit. Kay Kamahalang Tuyoyong, Kamalig Mix Vlog. Thank you so much Kamahalang, Tiwala Lang TV, thank you. Thank you so much. At syempre, hindi nawawala ang pag nagsashoutout ko syempre to all ka FLM, loyal supporters worldwide, shout out. Lemur Creation, NYP, shout out. Belated happy Valentine. Sir Golf Steward, Karikwawa News, Sir Manong, Roman TV, Carinyo TV. Mangyan TV, shout out. Sis Cordilleran Daisy, and Kabsat El Sayote, shout out. Diyan sa inyo sa Baguio.